now and have not found anything to cure my sciatica problem.
My doctor told me that my wrist will never be the same.
The pain that I'm feeling from basically my glute shoots all the way down my knee.
I'm almost pain-free. Amazing.
No, like that sharp pain's not there.
Literally felt the effect right away, and now I don't have any pain in my back hamstring.
Did you ever get dizziness or vertigo?
All the time.
Any hip issues or knee issues in that area?
It's been cracking for a lot of years.
Did you have any type of ringing in the ears or loss of hearing?
Loss of hearing.
It's a loss of hearing? Yeah.
Elie and Tova do such a great job. They know how to break the ear points down into their simplest form.
I love that I can go at my own speed. The videos are great. Floored by the points and the specific areas that can be treated.
And I'm telling you, EarSeeds has changed my practice. Insane. To be able to look at somebody's ear and have them, wow, how did you know that? It's amazing. I love it. I love it.